Tunghayan naman natin ang mga balita mula sa Visayas.
Walang palag sa mga otoridad ang nakatalan top 10 most wanted person matapos itong maaresto ng kapulisan sa Danau City, Cebu dahil sa kaso na may kaugnay sa Republic Act 7610.
Ang pagkakahuli sa naturang sospek ay patunay na hindi tumitigil ang pambansang pulisya sa pagtuntun sa mga taong
Arestado ng 701st Maneuver Company ang top 10 most wanted person municipal level sa isinagawang surveillance sa Barangay Kagatlamak, Danau City, Cebu. Kinilala ni Police Lieutenant Gabriel Pasilan Mota, officer in charge ng 701st Maneuver Company, Regional Mobile Force Company 7, ang suspect na si Wilmar 31 anyos at residente ng nabanggit na lugar. Ayon sa ulat ng pulisya, bandang nas 8:50 na umaga nang magsagawa ng surveillance ang pulisya nang mamataan ang suspect sa naturang lugar na nagresulta sa pagka-aresto nito sa bisa ng warrant of arrest para sa kasong RA 7610 dated February 14, 2024 na inisyo ni Honorable Jerry Barrett Dikdikan, presiding judge ng RTC Branch 25 Danau City, na may rekomendadong piyansa na 80,000 pesos.
RA 7610, also known as the Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation, and Discrimination Act. This law is the special protection to children from all forms of abuse, neglect, cruelty, exploitation, and discrimination, and other conditions prejudicial to their development. Children doesn't deserve to be abused by anyone or anybody. It may be their parents, guardians, and relatives, as this may cause them a lifetime damage and trauma to their childhood. Many children who are suffering from abuse, exploitation, and discrimination, who suffering from physical, psychological, and cognitive effects, which has a great impact to their mental health to live as a normal child due to the traumatic abuse they've encountered. Children who are suffering from any form of abuse or exploitation under RA 7610 require immediate intervention and support to ensure their safety, well-being, and protection of their rights. It's essential for individuals, communities, and authorities to recognize the signs of abuse, report cases promptly, and provide appropriate assistance and care to affected children.
Kasalukuyang nasa kustodiya na ngayon ng 701st Maneuver Company, RMFB-7 ang suspect habang pinabigay alam na sa kinaukulang korte ang pagkakahuli nito.
RMFB-7 through the leadership of Police Colonel Dian Vicente Agustin, Force Commander, will not stop enforcing the law to prevent and control any form of criminality in our community to ensure peace, order, and public safety.
Ang kapulisan ng Central Visayas ay patuloy sa pagsasagawa ng operasyon laban sa mga taong may pananagutan dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka.
Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako yung Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Nikia Cañedo, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng balitang pulis.
Maraming salamat, Patrolwoman Cañedo.